If you want to see more topics on electrical and electronics engineering, then check the playlist section of this YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on impedance and admittance. Question: in the circuit of figure, find I/O when. Here we have to find this I/O when omega is equal to 1 radian per second. This is our first problem. So solution: first we will solve for omega is equal to 1 radian per second. So this is problem A. Then we will copy the given circuit. So let's copy it from here. Now we will find the impedance of this circuit. So here this is given in time domain format. We will convert this into its equivalent phasor domain format. So convert it into phasor domain. So here it is 4 cos omega t volt. So this will be 4 at an angle 0 degree volt. This is Vs. Then this 1 Henry, this will imply j omega L. So j, then the value of omega is 1 radian per second. So 1 into inductance, the value of inductance is 1 Henry. So 1 into 1. So this will be only j. Then next is 2 ohm. So this 2 ohm will remain same. Then 0.05 farad. 0.05 farad. So this will be 1 upon j omega c. So 1 upon omega value is 1, c value is 0.05. 0.05. We can solve this in calculator. So 1 upon I into 0.05. So it is minus 20j minus 20j. Now let's copy the circuit again. Now we will change the values. So this will be 4 at an angle 0 degree. Four at an angle 0 degree. This 1 Henry, this will be only j. This 2 ohm will remain 2 ohm. This 0.05 farad will be changed to minus 20j. Minus 20j. And its unit will be ohm. Ohm. Here also this will be ohm. And this is voltage, so its unit will be volts. And this will be capital I/O. Now we can find the impedance. So here we can see this 2 ohm and minus 20j ohm are connected in parallel. So 2 ohm parallel with minus 20j ohm. So this implies, or this is equal to 2 into minus 20j divided by 2 plus minus 20j. We can solve this in calculator directly. So 2 into minus 20j divided by 2 plus minus 20j. So this is equal to this value 1.98 minus 0.198 minus 0.198j. Now if we add this, if we remake the circuit, or we can directly add this, both are connected in series with this j. So it will be, we can write Z is equal to, or total impedance is equal to total impedance is equal to this J plus this value 1.98 minus 0.198 J. So this will be, can directly add J to this plus J. So it is 1.98 as it is, 1.98 as it is, then plus 0.08 plus 0.80 plus 0.80 J. So this is the value of total impedance. Now, according to Ohm's law, we know that I is equal to V upon Z. So the value of voltage is 4 at an angle 0 volt, 4 at an angle 0 degree volt, and impedance value is this value. So let's copy this impedance value from here. We can solve this in calculator. So I is equal to 4 at an angle 0 divided by 1.98 plus 0.80 into I. 1.98 plus 0.80 into I. So it is in rectangular form. So shift 2, 3. It is equal to 1.873. 1.87 at an angle minus 22, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. This is the value of current I, or we can write IO. This is IO. Now we got the value of IO in phasor domain. So this is in phasor domain, but we need the answer in time domain format. So IO is equal to 1.87 cos omega t. The value of omega is 1. So 1t plus phi. So phi value is minus 22. So this will be minus 22 degree, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. So this is the answer when omega is equal to 1 radian per second.